In this, we have to differentiate for sine x, and that differentiates to give 4 cos x. Here I'm going to use the machinery. We're going to say that u equals 1 minus x squared. So du dx is minus 2x. I have the ln of u, which gives me 1 over u, which means when I multiply those, I get minus 2x over u, which is minus 2x over 1 minus x squared. So dy dx is 4 cos x minus 2x over 1 minus x squared. So that is 4 cos x plus 2x over 1 minus x squared. If we were to differentiate in a quotient, product of u and v matter in a quotient. U must be the denominator and v must be the numerator. So if u equals cos x squared x, to differentiate this, we bring down the power, reduce the power by 1, and multiply by the differential of cosec x, which is minus cosec x cot x. And if v equals tan 3x, when we differentiate that, we get 3 sec squared x 3x. Formula for the quotient is v du dx. We're multiplying these together, so that will give us 2 tan 3x cosec squared x cot x, and we'll have a minus sign, minus u dv dx. So we're multiplying these together, so minus 3 cosec squared x sec squared 3x all over v squared. To differentiate this, 3 minus 3 sine squared 2x is 3 cos squared 2x, and that's using the fact that sine squared plus cos squared is 1. So we're integrating from pi over 6 to pi over 3, 4 over 3 cos squared 2x, which is 4/3 by taking the coefficients in front of the integrand, and 1 over cos squared is sec squared, so that gives us sec squared 2x. Sec squared integrates to give tan. As with the 2x, we need a half, and then we have our limits. This means we want 2/3, 4/3 times a half of the tan of 2 pi over 3 minus the tan of 2 pi over 6, which is pi over 3. So typing that into the calculator, we get 2/3 times minus 2 root 3, which is minus 4 root 3 over 3, which is what we were asked for. This is not part of the question, but I want to explain this bit here. We are looking at the graph of 4 over 3 minus 3 sine squared 2x. If the denominator equals 0, then we have an asymptote, and that happens when 3 sine squared 2x equals 3. So that happens when sine squared 2x equals 1. And that happens when the sine of 2x equals 1 or the sine of 2x equals minus 1. That means that 2x equals 90, or 2x equals 270. Now if we think about a range here, we were asked to go from pi over 6, which is 30, and integrate to pi over 3, which is 60. 45, the pi over 4 lies in the middle, which means this is not a continuous function. So this was not an appropriate method. Hence the note at the bottom of the question.